So yep, here we go. This is Casino Estoril. I'm not sure the pronunciation, but this is basically a plaza. So yeah, there's Culture Institute, Public Library, a bunch of other kind of government buildings that have coolness to them. And then this right here is the very first casino in Macau. So go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So now they have the Lisboa, a new casino, and then that new casino has like a mural that's really similar to this. And so I think the story is it's kind of it's copied after it. So there you go. So let's go take a quicker look. You have free Wi-Fi in the park, but actually Macau, they're hooking up to 5G, whatever that might entail. Yeah, it's the first casino right there. I might be wrong, but that's the one that I saw and heard about. Top Sick. So they call this Top Sick. Tap Sick. Top Sick. Yeah, this is the first casino right over here. So I guess I can't really adequately explore it on this side, can I? I'll have to get over on the other side. But it looks like now they kind of have all kinds of other stuff around there. We'll try to get in there and see. So yeah, this building would have been the first casino, I guess. These are all private buses and things like that. I don't know exactly what's there, but it looks like, I don't know, I guess people would have taken those elevators, and maybe that was quite spectacular back in the day when it first opened. I think this is the first casino. But it's definitely, well, Gold Luck Complex. Gold Luckplex. Okay, well. Well, they're dropping off water. I don't know what that's all about. But anyways, this is, this mural is definitely, sheesh. Kinds of crazy stuff in there. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. So yeah, I guess this would have been the entrance. Huh. Okay, well, let's keep on going. Let's see the bus stop right here. So there we go, now you can get a picture of that. So, okay. Yeah, so this would have been the first casino. Definitely, definitely not kept up. It's boarded up, basically. It's kind of a strange fate, if that is indeed the first casino. Man, it looks, yeah, it looks totally abandoned. Yeah, I mean that's, I mean maybe it's the wrong building, and if it's the wrong building, then you can correct me, tell me that I'm wrong, and I'll have to change the title somehow. But yeah, that's basically. So let's just get across here, and we'll look at it from the side. So, okay. So that's it right there. So I guess this whole building would have been part of that casino, I guess. I don't know if somebody can read that. Maybe they can say it on the camera, on the YouTube. Just kind of tell me what that Chinese characters are. Yeah, let me just let's get into this window real quick before we leave this one. Well, this is business hours. Well, anyways, there we go. I guess we'll just end it right there. First casino of Macau, I believe. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but that little mural up there was I was reading about it, and that was the one that oh, here's Rua Felipe Acosta. Some dancers over there. Okay, I guess we'll end this one as we just kind of wander down. Chiquinha,